Startup checking of Abdullah to Kneader, big capacity model AE221 of 5 kg, being checked for Daraz order on 17th October 2023. It has a measuring flask, a warranty booklet, and a metal blade installed inside. Machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages, as you can see. We'll show you from the back also. Now from the bottom. No damages at all. Now we'll start it. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It is a very good machine as it needs dough within 5 minutes easily. Machine has stopped automatically. It is okay. Now being packed for the Daraz. This is the carton.